What is up, guys? Welcome to vlog number 14. Currently, as I'm recording this, I've posted all the way up to vlog number 7. So, I am still very behind. Alright, so at first with wiring up my horn, I was a little bit confused on how I was going to do it. Also decided to use a better wire instead of speaker wire. I mean, that would probably work too because it's only like 12 volts. That's about as good as it's going to get right there. I'm going to go ahead and figure out my ground and yeah, see if this thing honks. Alright, so I got everything all soldered up and taped up. Not perfect, but good enough. Got that right there. Got that positive running to here and the ground running back behind there, right there, as you can see. And I put a little bit of tape in between the two just so they wouldn't end up touching each other, and like say one day I'm just driving down the road and they decide to touch each other and my horn just starts honking uncontrollably. That would be pretty lame. So now I'm about to see if it where I don't really kinda gotta use two hands at this moment. Should be able to see it good enough. Yep. Works like a charm. I got my motherfucking bolts. Now let me go ahead and show you the difference. These were the crappy ones that came with the subframe brace, which if you ever get a subframe brace that isn't like the ASR, I think they are, like the fancy performance ones, don't use their bolts that they give you, because these could not even hold my car. Like, I don't know if you can see that, but they are actually bent. Like, bent. And the thread completely got stripped out. Also just put some LEDs in for the tag lights, I guess. Same LEDs that I put in my cluster. I had a whole bunch left over, so I figured I would replace these. Oh, nice. Yeah. I was actually a little concerned that I wouldn't light up enough, but this is a lot better than the lights. It's 20 for fuck it. Yeah. If anything, I see some people with really bright LEDs. Where's your boy? Oh, that's sick. Let me get a light.
this is about to turn into a cooking show. It's about to go down. It's going down.
Getting there. This shit's looking good. I tell you what. Oh yeah. Embrace it. I finally got my cluster out and took it apart, and I got all the little things out. There's little panels in here. Started painting it. Note, it's probably not going to turn out perfect considering I'm painting it. I kind of suck at painting. Definitely not the best, but hopefully it turns out good enough. Alright, well, it's not perfect, but it definitely looks a lot better than a blue. Alright guys, I guess that's about it for this vlog. Lots to come in the future with everything. So, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more. Peace.